Out at the ranch. These birds are so cool. Come here, Emu. What you doing, bud? Give him some fresh water. What's up, bird? Not camera shy at all. There's two of them out here. I wish they would lay some eggs. Some fertile eggs. I have no idea if they're boy, girl, both boys, both girls. I don't know. Be cool to have some of these on my property though. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya. What's up, bird? Oh, don't want to be friends. How about you? Nope, don't want to be friends either. I got their water full, so nice, clean, fresh, cold water.